Okay, so, um, I seem to have a slight problem in my tool shed that I built here. I went to grab my sander, and, well, this is my sander right there, and right there, if you can see, is my little problem. They, tend to change in volume when they seem to be pissed off. They'll get incredibly loud if I'm too close for too long, and at that point I GTFO. I just wanted to say hi and be on a little video with my bee friends here. Um, I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but they seem to be kind of happy. Uh, okay.